If you're looking for a quick Italian recipe for using up asparagus, do this. Take your asparagus, clean it, wash it, take the ends off, snap the ends off, put it in a frying pan, add some water so that it's covering it lightly, like about halfway. You don't want to cover it all the way. Next you want to do is turn up the heat in the saucepan or for the stove to a high. Bring it up to a boil. We're going to let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to get it so they're nice, bright, and green, and you can cut it easily with a fork. This is probably still had a few more minutes to go. I don't like mine super soggy. And you want that water to evaporate, and if it's not ready to evaporate, then just pour it out. So here we have our asparagus, and you can adjust your quantities as you see fit. Take some balsamic vinegar and pour it in. I'm just doing a small splash. I was making this for some other people, and I didn't know how much they liked. Then add in your extra virgin olive oil, and notice we're not cooking with the olive oil. We are just simply using it to coat the asparagus. The asparagus cooks in the water. Next, just go ahead and add it to your serving bowl. And by the way, if you like Italian recipes and simple and easy ones, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter. Link is below. SimpleItalianCooking.com is the website you can check out. Make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like watching these types of videos. So super easy Italian recipe. Use that extra liquid in there too. And one other thing that you want to do when you're serving it is to top it off with some Romano cheese or Parmesan. If that's all you have, Romano is better. It's got a little bit more of a bite. And serve it, and you are ready to go. All done in less than 15 minutes. Enjoy. Grazie.